Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Hulu app and manage profiles. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Hulu app, open the App Store on your device. For iOS devices, this is the App Store. For Android devices, it's the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Hulu and press search. Once you see the Hulu app icon, tap on it to view more details. Look for the download or install button and press it. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, find the Hulu app icon and tap to open it. Now, you'll be prompted to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you're new to Hulu, follow the prompts to create a new account. Once you're logged in, you can manage your profiles. Tap on the profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner. Select Manage Profiles from the drop-down menu. Here, you can add new profiles or edit existing ones. To add a new profile, click on Add Profile. Choose a name and customize settings like viewing preferences. You can also select a profile picture from the available options. After customizing the profile, save your changes. To edit an existing profile, simply select it from the list. Make the desired changes and save your updates. To delete a profile, locate the profile you want to remove. Tap on the Delete Profile option and confirm your choice. Now you can easily switch between profiles when you access Hulu. Enjoy your streaming experience on Hulu with personalized profiles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.